In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your Roblox cursor goes off the screen. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an exciting game session. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some simple steps that will help resolve this issue, hopefully within the next 5 minutes. Let's start with a basic yet effective solution. The first thing you want to try is going full screen within Roblox. Sometimes, simply making sure that your game is in full screen mode can solve a lot of these cursor-related problems. To do this, look for the full screen option in the game settings, or you can check if there's an on-screen button for full screen, often found in the upper corners of the game window. Next, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut to toggle full screen on and off. Press the F11 key while you're in the game. This hotkey is a quick way to enter and exit full screen, and it might resolve the issue if there are minor glitches causing the cursor to leave the game window. It's a simple solution, but often effective. If going full screen doesn't solve the problem, you might need to consider reinstalling Roblox. First, navigate to your computer's settings and open the Add or Remove Programs section. Once you're there, use the search function to find Roblox in the list of installed applications. Select it and then click on the Uninstall option. Uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox can help by refreshing the installation, clearing any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. After you've uninstalled Roblox, head over to the Roblox website, download the latest version of the game, and install it. This should give you a clean installation, free from previous glitches that might have affected your gaming experience. Still having trouble? If you've tried these steps and the cursor issue persists, there's one more thing to try. Restart your computer. While it may sound rudimentary, restarting your system can clear out any lingering processes or temporary files that might be causing issues with Roblox. It's like giving your PC a little refresh, allowing it to start anew, with hopefully smoother operation. These steps should help in getting your Roblox cursor back where it belongs, contained within the game's window, and making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Remember, gaming experience should be fun, and not bogged down by technical issues. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!